So I'm back here at Ziering Medical, about to get my second procedure for my hair restoration, and I'm really excited. I've already had this done once, a little over 2 years ago, and it was actually life-changing, and I don't say that lightly. I mean, not only did I feel better and felt so confident, people noticed something looked better. They weren't sure what, which I was really glad that it wasn't so obvious. So as time went on and I'm getting older and I lost a little bit more hair and I just got addicted to the fact that I had fresh hair like I did when I was younger, I just wanted more of that. So I'm back to get a second procedure. I just want to get it fuller here because I already got it full and I want it fuller, and they did such an amazing job the first time. I'm doing a couple of add-ons. I'm getting my eyebrows done to get them fuller because you lose hair everywhere evidently when you get to a certain age, and they are giving me a little sideburn, which I always wanted. I think it'll make me feel really youthful and masculine, so I'm excited about that.
So basically what I did is I just traced your hairline.
Mm-hmm.
I'm just gonna reinforce that a little bit. Focus primarily here. I might put a little bit in here, again, it depends on the numbers, but the hair that's in this crown goes forward, so it's going to give you a little bit of coverage here. But obviously here and here, your temples, basically I'm just filling that in. Your eyebrows, you're just going to fill the little edges, and then, you know, a little tiny bit in your, because your sideburn, you have a little bit of hair, like you have a few little sparse hairs in there. So I'm just going to put a few little sparse hairs in there just to give it the appearance of it connecting so that it flows. Everything flows.
Love it.
So that's our plan for today.
I'm in the middle of my procedure. They did the extraction and now they're doing the FUE, where they take the follicular units and create all my thick hair and implant them, put them in. So I'm totally psyched.
So we're all finished. We got a total of 3,265 grafts, which we transplanted our sideburns, corners of the eyebrows, temporal peak, and basically from the front all the way into the crown. This is our growth factor treatment called AmnioZ. We like to do this as an add-on with our surgical procedure because it really helps with the healing process, helps decrease the inflammation, also helps protect the existing hair that's up there. It helps turn around some of the miniaturized hair, and it also helps the transplanted hair be nice and strong. So typically when we do everything from the front to the back, we like to do 2 syringes, which is 4 cc's total. So I'll be injecting this into the top area of the transplant.
So I'm just done with my second hair restoration procedure. Nothing really surprised me, except I will say that level of professionalism being at Ziering Medical, it's like the Rolls Royce of hair restoration literally around the world. I can't speak highly enough about it. I would not trust anybody else, and I love my all-women group who worked on me all day. Is amazing.